I was recently asked a question about searching in Microsoft Outlook. The question was, once you locate an email, how do you find out which folder the email is stored in? That's what we're going to explore in this video. First, I need to do the search. Click in the search bar and I'm going to type in newsletter. In Outlook 365, it searches the current mailbox and not just the current folder. I press enter and here are my search results. At the moment, I have no way of knowing what folder any of these emails are in. So whilst I can locate emails meeting the criteria, I don't know where they are. The easiest way to find out is to right mouse click on one of the column headings and select Field Chooser. In the Field Chooser area are a range of buttons we can add to the current Outlook view. Click the drop arrow beside Frequently Used Fields and select All Mail Fields. Scroll down the list and we are looking for In Folder. Drag In Folder to the column headings bar and drop it where you want it to appear. You may need to resize the column to see more detail on the folder the email is located in. If I want to remove the field from the view, with the Field Chooser dialog box open, simply drag and drop the heading to the Field Chooser box. Close the Field Chooser down by clicking the cross in the top right-hand corner of the dialog box. So this is how you find out what folder an email is located in after you do a search in Microsoft Outlook.